too cool too. It's very, very cold right now. Temperature's like 25, I think, or 28. I just heard. It is very, very cold. The snow has been non-stop since this morning. It's heaviest in the afternoon. If you look at the light, you see the snow is blowing. It gets real heavy at times, and it's a lot of snow. Look over there. I don't know why I'm zooming out, but it's a lot of snow. It's a scream. Be quiet. Oh my God! So stupid, yo. See someone videotaping, or they just stand here for no reason? Oh man, battery's going dead. Snow is real deep, but so non-stop. It's cold. You know, I'm not cold. Jeez, thing, I'm warm. Jeez, think I'm crazy? Oh, well, for you. I believe in Jesus. I believe in do everything. Don't believe it? Oh, well. Don't be writing religious comments on there. I will report it to you, too. Anyway, a lot of stuff. I know these owners have touched the snow, like took it off the car and lay it up there, so I don't know where to get the real depth. It's deep over here. I think it was touched. Stay here for more with the updates.